Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game crashing or not loading, lagging, not launching or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Now here we'll see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Now go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and then select console storage, then tap on delete option. Then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, then click on the restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, look if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz only or 2.4 GHz only and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar and select current language. Choose the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and at last select restore option. Next is to reinstall Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.